Today I'm in Cherry Hill, New Jersey in the highly desirable Chanticleer community, and right here in the comments section is my newest listing at 1321 Chanticleer. If you've been looking for something that's completely move-in ready, affordable, and practically maintenance-free, this one's absolutely for you, because inside this home, everything is brand new. Let's go check it out. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the attention to detail and a sense of freshness throughout. The entire interior has been redone, from the brand new tile flooring throughout the main living spaces to the brand new carpeting in the bedroom. Every window has been replaced, including the sliding glass door in the bedroom. All new interior doors, trim, and the paint give the home a crisp, modern feel. The kitchen features brand new updates with granite countertops, all new cabinetry, and brand new LG stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator, range, microwave, and a dishwasher. There's also a brand new stackable washer and dryer, and even a new high-efficiency heating system to keep your energy bills low. In the bedroom, you'll find a generous closet with a brand new organizer system and a private ensuite bath with new tile, new fixtures, a glass shower enclosure, and fresh finishes from top to bottom. Need a home office, guest room, or extra space? The den off the main living area easily converts into a second bedroom. And don't forget, there's a cozy gas log fireplace in the living room for those chilly evenings. This home also includes a detached one-car garage and is part of a beautifully maintained community where the association takes care of all the exterior maintenance, so you can truly enjoy a worry-free lifestyle. Residents here also enjoy access to the community clubhouse, complete with a full kitchen and exercise area, plus a swim club with an in-ground pool, and it's all just minutes from major highways and shopping. So if you're looking for affordable one-floor living in a convenient location with everything done and ready for you, then 1321 Chanticleer is the one to see. Let's make this your next move.